Guys, welcome back. I know you guys long to see me. Just trim up a little bit of my hair. Got it done and thing. I fix up my hedge, but it pull up. It kind of weird now. But yeah. So I know I haven't put up some videos in some time now, but we're coming. Me and Rodtay coming with video. Okay, you're gonna see video of her saying different type of colors and different sounds of animals and all those things. So just look out for it, okay guys? And yeah, bye for now. Love you guys. Mwah. How does the lion go? How does the frog go?
Rabbit.
How does the dog go?
It's a wolf.
How does the cat go?
It's a meow.
How does the goat go?
It's a bear.
How does the sheep go?
It's a bear.
Good girl. So what color is this?
Shine.
Which color is this?
Shine.
What color is this?
Blue.
And what color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Orange.
No, what color is this?
Yeah. It's a pea bucket.
Good girl.
It's a pea.
Yeah, the cover is dropped.
Apple.
Boy.
Boy.
Cat.
Cat. Dog. Chicken. Fish. Diarrhea. EQ.
J.
D. Cat. Divya.
Okay, so she normally say like these from A go to Z, but I guess she's not in the good mood now. Tell them bye. Can't tell them bye. I guess she's not in the good mood now, so she's in a hurry.
Bye bye.
Alright, so she's saying bye. Bye guys for now.
Bye guys.